Hello people, and for this round, we're gonna show you how to create and verify a Binance account. Now first off, you have two options. You can always go directly into your phone, but for a clearer picture, I will sign up on the PC. However, the rest of the steps we will be using a phone. Now let's go over here to sign up and then use an email, go to next. Now a verification code will be sent, so we just have to go over. I have it here, just copy that and then paste. Now create a strong password. Now the referral ID, you can leave that blank. I believe this automatically filled up because I have another account linked with the email I'm using, but we can just press next. Now these are the only three things that we need to verify our account. A government issued ID, it could be anything, usually a passport, either a driver's license perhaps, and personal information, your address, your name, and all of that stuff. A liveliness check, we will talk about that later. That will be done on the phone. Now let's just go and continue. Let me just fill this up and then continue. This is only a reminder that you have to have your complete address. Continue. Now, the IDs needed will depend on your country. For example, here, these are all Philippine IDs. I will be using one of them since that is what I currently have. Now, you can either take with your phone or you can upload the photos. I will be uploading photos since I have them on this PC. It will ask if you want to retake, just continue without retaking. The same as with the backside. Now press continue. Now we'll have to scan a QR code with our phone. You can use any QR scanner or the Binance app if applicable. And once you scan the code, it will take you to your login. After entering your code on the phone app, you will receive another verification code, which this time will be used for your phone. And now we will do a liveliness check. So you have to make sure, as it says below, that you're not wearing glasses, a hat, or anything that covers your face. You must be well lit and then continue. And after doing all the nodding your head, opening your mouth, looking side to side, just for them to get your facial features, the verification is completed and you can now continue to trade with Binance. And there we go. You can either trade Binance either from your phone or from the PC. If you have any questions, just leave them on the comment down below. And again, thank you for watching and see you again next time.